Hi, this is Tim Evans with the Carol Royce team. This is your Monday Real Estate Minute tip. People always ask the Carol Royce team, what's the number one issue that will cancel my contract? It's your roof. Your roof is your number one reason for any buyer to cancel an purchase agreement with you. And what I mean by this is there's many things that happen with roofing. You have leaks, you have wood rot, fascia issues, tile that's lifted or broken. All of these things come up, and generally it's a laundry list of items that the buyer gets with roofs that cause them to say, I'm not going to go any further with this transaction. So here's the tip. Have a roof inspection done. Call a qualified licensed roofer, have them come out and pre-inspect your home before you put it on the market. And if there's any issues, to address those. And then, bingo, call the Carol Royce team. We'll get you under contract. It'll keep your escrow in. It'll keep that high price offer right there for you, and you'll be able to close without any issues with your home inspection. This is your Monday Real Estate Minute tip. See you next week.